26 Delta X-ray 444. Okay, my friend, the call sign is Delta X-ray 444, Delta X-ray 444, my friend, QSL. Okay, my friend, your signal this way is about a 5 and a 789 at times, very strong into the city of Nottingham, central United Kingdom, Tony. Okay, my friend, you seem to have a little bit of a pile up there, so I will let you continue, but it's nice to make the contact for the first time on the band, my friend. Okay, Tony, 73, bye-bye for now. 73, my friend. My friend, your station is very, very strong into the United Kingdom. My operator name is Glenn, like Golf, Lima, Echo, November, Glenn. I'm from the city of Nottingham, central United Kingdom, QSL. Okay, my friend, your signal 9 plus 20 at times. I heard you contact the 16 division there. I could hear both sides of the conversation. The propagation this evening, my friend, is very, very strong into the United Kingdom from South America, QSL. Yeah, the propagation is working very well. Not so good earlier on in the day, but this evening, very, very good. Please, can you give me your personal name, my friend?
My personal Beto, like Bravo, Echo, Tango, Ocean, Beto, my name, QSL.
Ah, okay, Beto. I hear you many times speaking before on the frequencies. You're very, very strong station at times into the United Kingdom. I have tried for you before, Beto, but I have never made the contact with you. But very enjoyable this evening. Your station very strong. 9 plus 20 at times. Your modulation Super Radio 5. Very, very good, Beto. Very, very good propagation this evening. I hand the microphone back to you, my friend.
Okay, dear Glenn, all the best, my dear friend. Thank you very much for the nice contact. The best. Have a good day for you. A good Sunday to you. Happy the X, my friend. 3 Alpha Tango 22 South America 73.
Okay, my friend Beto, I hope to speak with you again on the frequency at some point. Thank you again. Bye-bye for now. Bye-bye, 73. Hello, CQ Canary Islands. Hello, CQ Canary Islands. How copy? 26 Delta X-ray 444 QSL. Okay, 34 Division. Please can you give me your call sign and your operator name? Thank you. Okay, 34 Echo Kilo 382, and your operator name is Kiki. Kiki. Please excuse my explanation. Okay, my friend, the city this way would be Nottingham in the central part of the United Kingdom, and I will tell you my call sign again, Kiki. It is 26 Delta X-ray 444 QSL. Operator name is Glenn. Golf, Lima, Echo, November QSL.
Canary Islands, estoy por acá, Mitra Saber, un Evo, Tango Sierra 850,
Okay, very nice station you have there. My conditions this way, my working conditions this way, is a Yaesu 450 Delta. The antenna would be a Gainmaster 5/8 wave, and I am about 75 whiskies to you, my friend, QSL. Okay, KK, thank you very much for the contact. 73, my friend. Bye bye for now. Okay, my friend, on your next over, please give me your operator name, my friend. Okay, WX in the United Kingdom at the moment is many thunderstorms at the moment, so propagation is very wild right now, my friend. But I wait for your name on your next over, my friend. I give the microphone back to you. Okay, Nick, thank you very much for that. And congratulations on your radio station, my friend. You are working very good into the United Kingdom. The city this way would be the city of Nottingham, in the central part of the UK. Your signal this way is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 at times. Very nice, strong station. Very good audio, Nick, my friend QSL. Okay, Nick, my working conditions, the radio would be a Yaesu 450 Delta, Yaesu 450 Delta, and the antenna would be a Gainmaster 5/8 wave, a vertical Gainmaster 5/8 wave, and around 75 whiskies, my friend, QSL. Okay, Nick, thank you very much. Please, Nick, before you go, my friend, can you give me your city name? Your city name, Nick, thank you, QSL. Okay, Nick, no worries there, my friend. Fine business. Thank you again from 444 to 1 Alpha Tango 630. Thank you for the contact, my friend. I hope to have you again on the frequency there. I have you in the logbook, Nick, and thank you very much. 73 and bye-bye.